I've noticed one thing in particular. You are very loud. Oh! Yeah! Fucking yeah! No more Fortnite! No more Fortnite! No more Fortnite! No more Fortnite! No more fucking Fortnite! No more fucking Fortnite! No more actual fucking Fortnite! Oh my god! Oh my god! No, 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 no! It's collection day! Your ass is getting beat! Guys, dodge! Ha! Get fucked, bitch! What do you think I am? An amateur? That I've never played a Yakuza game before? Well, you'd be so wrong! You'd be so wrong! Secretly, I have played the entire series. Secretly, I have played the entire— Ah! Wah! Wah! Why was there another QuickTime event? They need to let me know when there's a QuickTime event. You absolute bitch. You absolute bitch. You absolute bitch. You absolute fucking bitch. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Get fucked. No, no, no. Wait. Huh? 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 Oh my god. I was not expecting that. Go! Release me at once. My rage voltage is rising. Fuck. Why does permanent marker smell so bad? Ah! I did it! Wait! Huh? When you're at the restaurant, you know what I mean? So you just go, ow. Ow, 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 Say your last words, fucker. Bye! Oh!